Okay, so the back seat storage project is coming along nicely. I have the upper level done here now. So this is where the kitty litter box is going to go. And up here is where the cat's carrier will go. Or we can just kind of leave it open and put a foam pad or a cat bed up there so they can just hang out in that. But yeah, so I got my 1 inch of insulation along the back panel here. There's the vents over on that side too. So right now I am thinking about just filling this area in here. However, I might put a light in here, because that might be kind of handy to see things. And so yeah, some lighting would be really nice in here. But so here you see the middle lift out panel. It's a little heavy side for me here, but that's 14 inches wide, and so that way we can reach in here. There's the length of my arm, and same with the other side. And then here we can just lift that up and reach in to get things that are buried deeper. So that'll be good. So this is all 2x3 and 1/2 inch ACX plywood construction with some steel brackets to make it stiff. And so it's pretty solid. It's not going anywhere. And I think I can run a screw into the sheet metal here and here just to kind of make things even more stable. And then right here, this is how I fastened it down. And this here is the bolt for the seat. And then this here is just a construction strap. But it's working out pretty good. I'll do the one for the other side tomorrow, and then that will wrap this up. I'll be done. So let me see if I can get this cat box in here while we're sitting around yakking. So this cat box is I'm going to get a smaller one, but I can remove the bungee, pop the lid on it, okay, that's it. Okay, stupid phone. Don't know how much footage I lost there, but so yeah, the kitty box will just go right in here, and it's got high sides on it, so they're not really going to kick litter out of here. And what I'll do is I'll put a bungee strap from here around there, and that'll hold it in place. And then we can put the scoopers in this area here, or whatever needs to go in there. But yeah, so anyway, it's going to work out pretty good. I can just see the kitties up there now. Here's the old bed they would use. And, well, actually, it turns around here. Give me a second. It was Poppy's idea to shred it to pieces. Okay, so there you go. Cat bed up here, plenty of cat room. And then, so yeah, this is kind of nice. Going to be so much nicer. And then I've got about 1/2 inch of space between my seat here and my seat's all the way back to where I put it. Then I have an extra 1/2 inch if I need it. but I've never moved my seat in all these years, so no problemo. Okay, well, let me shut this door and I'll walk over to the other side and show you from that angle. Okay, so I've still got my junk up here, but so there you go. This here is what it looks like from the passenger side. So kitties will just they're going to be so excited to see their new digs in the back of the truck. And there you can see I've got a 1/2 inch of space over here too. So anyway, yeah, and then you can see all the metal brackets that I used to make it solid. You know, you need things solid when you're driving and rocking around on dirt roads and all that good yahoo. You need things to be solid. So we're solid. Okay. So I am gonna pack it up for the night. As you can see, it's a dark o'clock up here and it's getting cold, and I don't like that. I don't like the cold anymore. Getting too old for this. But I do love working on stuff. Anyway, okay, so there you go. That is the update on everything, and you can see plenty of storage down here all the way across. 66 inches, I believe, of storage. All right, we'll see you next time.